We are at Akko, Acre, and the market, you can see the seafood, it's close to the sea. I myself cannot see fish, then I'm not looking at the camera, but you can. It's Friday. Still quarantine, and you can see the mask on the face of some people. It's unique because it's owned by Arabs and Jews. And there are no tourists now, they're mostly Israelis. Look at that. Look at that. I love the market. Now, what is funny, interesting in that city, that beneath you, there's another city, Crusader City. And, look at the pita bread. And the Crusader City, here, never been excavated there. We don't know what is. We never actually know, but we never reached that area. The shisha, the hookah, nargila. It's not so touristic as you can see, but tourists can find some souvenirs here as well. Look at the herbs. I can smell it. This is the zat or the isop. It's June 2020.